Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So this video is going to be sharing with you 100 value betting results, and we will be using a £5,000 bankroll for this. So we'll jump on the laptop now and I'll show you exactly what results I've had here. Now, jumping here onto the value betting software, and of course, if you do want to check this out, as usual, I have left the free trial link down in the description. But we can see that I'm completely caught up here with all the value bets, so there's nothing else showing here. I've literally placed everything that I can. And just bear in mind, these are practice sort of demo bets that I've placed just to see what theoretical profit could be made. So if we go over to, at the bottom here, you can see bets, so that's showing current bets. Then you have the options tab, which gives you all the settings there. Then there's the menu help and then tracker in the bottom right hand corner. So if we go ahead and click that, I'll take you through these 100 bets of results. So if we start from the bottom of the page, then you can see that it's currently 100 bets per page that's been shown, which is perfect for this video. And on the far left hand corner, we can see 4th of August is when the bet was actually placed. And then the 5th of August, that date next to it, is when that event, whether it's a football match or a tennis match, that's when the event actually started. So yeah, the first value bet here that I placed was at 6:25 in the evening on the 4th of August. So 3 days ago. It's currently the 7th of August 2022 as I'm filming this video. So we can see them starting off from a £319.76 profit. So again, this is practice mode, sort of pretend money here. I haven't logged every single one of these bets, although I have been placing some of them with my own gubbed Bet365 account and with my Betfair exchange, because when you do have the pro version of this site, it will give you Betfair exchange value bets. But yeah, we are literally starting with 300, let's just call it £320. So starting with 320 then, we can see the first bet lost and took us to £47 down. And then the next bet actually won to 63. So after that, we can see loss of 64 down to 320 there, roughly 320. A couple more losses actually took us to around £210. And then we had a couple of wins that actually took us way up to 426 there. So I guess I'll say the amounts, but not the pennies. But yeah, you can see a couple losses, then a couple wins, and just scrolling through them here. So we're now on the next day. So these bets are ones that I placed on the 5th of August. So this is 2 days in. And yeah, we're kind of getting wins and losses here, wins and losses. And then it went on to quite a bit of a streak here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wins in a row, taking the total profit all the way up to £905, which is amazing. That was followed by one loss of £54, but then another 3 wins, taking us up to £1,062. As I said at the start, this is using a £5,000 bankroll because you only want to risk 1.5% of your total bankroll on each bet. So you'll see here, like this last win here, that was a win of £67. The bet that was placed for that was £59. So of course, just under 1.5% there of a £5,000 bankroll. But if we continue on then, we're now actually into the 6th of August here. So of course the 3rd day then. And we can see here, so a couple of wins, a loss, couple of wins, a loss, then a win and then a loss. And then what's that? 4 wins in a row, taking us to £1,455. And then we've got a loss, win, loss, loss, win, loss. And then another great streak there of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins in a row, taking us actually to 1,578. So we'll carry on there, scrolling up. And the peak here, I believe, was so a few more wins here, taking us up to £1,639 of profit. Now we have a few here that are saying pending. So this red number here says 17 minutes ago. That's when the match started, or the tennis or football started. And then if it's in yellow there, it says tomorrow it's starting. And you scroll over, it says at 9 o'clock tomorrow evening. And then this one says an hour from now. So it's very clever that it actually shows you exactly when the events are starting there. But we can see that, okay, actually £1,639 was not the peak. We did hit a loss and then a couple more wins, a loss, and then another win. to go to £1,679, so nearly £1,700 as the peak there. I don't think we're going to see any higher than that. So yeah, now we've seen 1, 2, 3, 4 losses in a row, bringing us down back to around the £1,500 mark. And there you go, we're actually all caught up there. So those bets were actually placed between the 4th, 5th and 6th of August, so just 3 days there. And as you saw, so that the current running total at 1,500 quid, and we started with just over £300. So it's a massive, huge amount of profit there that's been made in just 3 days. If you have been using this software already, because I have noticed a few people getting signed up and getting involved, do comment below and let me know your results so far and what kind of bankroll you're using. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.